Welcome back, everyone. It sure is a windy one today. So we had, like, I don't know how widespread this wind is, but it's in a big area around our house. We've had, not yesterday, but the day before, we had about 70 to 80 mile an hour wind gusts. And so, like, we're like the only house in our county that somehow still has power. Almost everyone else has been out of power, and they're expected to be out of power for a few days yet. There's some trees down on the farm. We also mark the big rooster that's 9.5 feet tall. That's ceramic. That's out in our pasture. That blew over. So we're gonna have to get that standing up too. I think we're probably gonna do that here. Once we get this, we have a tree that's blocking our driveway back to the cabin. We're gonna get that now. So stick along today. It should be a good one. We're gonna get some of the storm damage cleaned up and take you guys with us. So let's go get started. Even right now, we still got some winds out here, and today is not even that bad. The other day it was so windy. I had a 10 mile long run, and we ran that out in the 50 mile an hour wind gusts. And it got worse right when we were done, so we were glad we were done then. But I came home, trees were all over the roads and everything, power lines are down. So crews are out fixing power line, restoring power and stuff, and we're gonna get this tree off our drive. So Dad just towed the big part of the tree over with the tractor, and I'm dumping the sticks off the trailer of the mule right now. And then we also got a little bit of firewood out of it, just the pieces that are small enough that we don't have to split it, but yeah, big enough for firewood. So yeah, I'm just gonna dump it in the gully here. Just like that, we got all the sticks off without even getting off. We just dumped it and pulled right ahead. That's so slick. Here comes the trunk. Perfect.
welcome back everyone. You guys just teleported like a week, so I'm back. It's the next weekend, and we're still cleaning up from this windstorm, and I have to be at work in about an hour, so we have a little bit of time here. Got the saw. Dad's getting the tractor. We're gonna go try and cut up a tree real quick and get it off one of the driveways back by the cabin. So we're gonna head back there, try and get that done real quick. Got some serious chains on the back there. Here's the tree that we're gonna be cutting. I gotta get the four-wheeler out of the way now. So actually our main drive is over here, where the tractor is, and it goes up the hill. That's the main drive. And then this one behind me here, this is a spare drive. Yeah, you can see the whole root ball uprooted from the high winds we had. And you can see this is a wet area. There's just water sitting in it. Toss some in there. There's literally water sitting in it, which shows that the roots didn't go very deep. That's why it blew over. So he's gonna cut it and see if the root ball falls back down. Alright, he's going to the other side. We're going to go down here and watch from the bottom. See if it falls back down the hole. There it goes. Nope. Sweet. Alright, it's back down. They had that whole tree, little tree up with it there. That one came back down too now. That's neat. And this is actually... What I was going to say is this is actually a nice log, so we're going to take it over and get some boards made out of it. Look at all of these rings. Look at all those rings. I'm guessing this tree's probably about 80. It's I think it's a maple, so those grow really slow. They make really hard wood. Just an interesting little fun fact, our table in our kitchen is made out of hard maple from the same woods. And we also have some furniture around the house made out of this wood tree from our farm too. Is that lightning? Is that lightning?
Lightning must have struck sometime.
I think that's lightning, yeah.
Yeah.
Look, the wood, is that woodpeckers?
We don't have a tape measure, do we?
Is that woodpeckers that, they like eat the lightning part?
Woodpeckers went into there to get the bug. Another,
You're still,
to take them
you
over.
want another 10?
Well, I'll just
do whatever's left.
I'll just do basically, this is about half. And we can pull them out that way. And then
Oh, you're just going to cut it here and then pull them both out. definitely an art to cutting with chainsaws, because one wrong move and it can get pinched.
Yeah.
All right, logs are chained up. See if you can pull it. Oh yeah, no problem. There they go. We just logged last summer, so this tree would have been, well, it was one that we left, hoping it'd get bigger, but I guess the wind thought otherwise, and so I don't know, it was kind of getting loud when I was saying it earlier, but the root ball, I think the reason it uprooted is there's so much water underneath it that this is a wet area, and so the roots couldn't go very deep, so they ended up just kind of being kind of right on top, and then windstorm came with, I think they said we had about up to 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts, so that's really strong, and I think with those kind of winds you don't get that very often around here, so I just took the tree over. But I'm gonna try and clear some of these trees that are falling over so he can drive the tractor. So what it is, we got this mess left right on the drive. So I'm gonna try and clear a little area over here so he can drive in here, back up there, and then pull that stuff down here.
Look at that, our driveway is open. That is perfect. All right, well, I think that's gonna do it for today. We got that last log out of the woods there. I know I said at the beginning of this video we might get to the rooster and fixing that because that blew over in the windstorm as well. We didn't get to that in this video, but we will be doing that soon. So if you are interested in that, make sure you keep looking back because we will have a video coming out on that soon. Standing the rooster back up again, which should be pretty cool because it's 10 feet tall. And I'm not sure how we're going to do it yet, but we're going to do it. So be watching for that video to come out. And until then, thank you for coming along today. I hope you learned something. Have a great day, everyone.